What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to quickly show you how to bring back a note that you deleted on the Notes app that you didn't want to delete. Now this also works for folders as well if you accidentally deleted one of those. So once you have your Notes app opened, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to randomly delete a note just to show you guys how it works. So I just delete the note right here. And then once you go back to the main screen of your folders on the entire iCloud, you should see a button all the way down at the bottom that says recently deleted. It's actually a folder of notes. And then you see all of the recently deleted notes I have. I only have 2, including the one that I just deleted. But you could see there that you could easily just restore it and move it to a folder. And I just moved it back to the folder that it was originally in. It's super quick, and this feature saves a lot of time if you accidentally deleted a note that took a long time for you to write. If you found this tutorial confusing or had any questions, be sure to comment them down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.